Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to update Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to open the Capcut and then go to your profile icon, which is going to be located on the bottom right corner. From here, go to the settings. That's going to be the diamond icon here, and you might want to clear cache for now to make sure you don't have the unwanted bugs and glitches. Don't have to worry about clearing cache, won't delete your drafts. And of course, just click on confirm. And then after that, and then the next thing is go to App Store or Google Play Store if you're using an Android. Go to the search bar. Of course, type in Capcut. At this point, if you click the search button and type in enter, what will happen is you would be forwarded here. You want to make sure that the Capcut has the latest version. If you need to update it, there should be an option that says update, right? So you just have to click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. However, right now, as we click on the open, right here, we will be forwarded to the same page, right? Or let me just click on it again, click the open section, and there should be able to make sure that the Capcut is updated. Now, the reason we want to do that is to make sure we get the best experience, features, and performance. Capcut frequently releases updates with new editing tools, effects, transitions, filters, and animations. Obviously, by updating, you gain access to the latest feature that can elevate your video editing skills and keep your content fresh and modern. Updates often introduce new video templates, helping you create engaging content quickly and easily with minimal effort. Updates obviously often fix bugs and glitches, improving the overall stability and performance of the app. And by updating, you can avoid crashes, freezing issues, or unwanted behavior that can disrupt your editing process. Since we have already updated the Capcut, all you have to do is click the play button, and of course, you can create reels, transitions, effect. Since updating the Capcut ensures the app is up to date with the latest security patches. This helps your data private, especially if you're using online features or storing content in the cloud. Once you are happy, since we have already updated the Capcut to the latest version, click the export button, right? And from here, try to save it to different file formats. And if you are part of a collaborative environment, you might want to share it to your client for feedback or send it to your team members. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.